In this Vue 3 tutorial, we're starting by importing ref and watch from Vue. These are core features that allow us to handle reactive state and detect when that state changes. Here we declare a reactive variable named count using ref, which is initially set to 0. Ref makes a variable reactive, meaning Vue tracks its changes. Now, we're setting up a watcher on the count variable. The watcher is a function that executes when count changes. It receives the new and old values as arguments. In this case, whenever count changes, we log the change to the console. Next, we create another reactive state object with a first name and last name using ref again. This will track changes to any properties within the object. We then set up a watcher on just the last name property of our state object. This is done by passing a function that returns the specific property we want to watch. When last name changes, we log this change to the console. This approach allows us to perform specific actions based on changes to individual properties within a complex object.